story today. Today we're gonna make a sad story. Actually, it's a short story. First, we're gonna draw a big oval. We're gonna make 2 legs on each side, a straight line, and a big circle on the top. We're gonna make it looking up. We're gonna make the second one. And smiling mouth. Hand gonna be curved line and a little heart. The second one. And now we're gonna draw the rope. And now a big balloon. We're gonna draw a happy face for the balloon. Let's start painting. We're done with the first part. Again, a big oval. Two legs on each side. Straight line and circle. And the other one. Now a sad mouth, curved line, and a small heart. Let's draw the cathedral. And the other hand. He cutted the rope, and the balloon is flying up. Now, sad face for the balloon, and the rest of the rope. We're gonna make him crying. Let's draw the tears. And tears for the balloon. Let's paint everything. the end of the story. Hope you enjoyed seeing my video. See you in next video. Follow Pinky Winky to see all my videos. Goodbye.